Hello everyone, this is David with today's tech tip on how to use the Thin Extrude feature to speed up your design process. While you can use the rib feature to create contoured and simple ribs that extend to the walls of a part, the Thin Extrude functionalities can also come in handy when creating rib-like structures. Select the Extrude feature, then click on Thin Extrude and select the sketch you want to use for your structure. You have great flexibility on where and how you can create your supporting sketches. Additionally, you have all the selection options that the Extrude feature offers. Choose the extrude directions, end types, starting offset, a second end position, and especially handy for injection molding parts, add a draft angle. Get all these functionalities combined in one single feature. Thanks for watching and make sure to be back for more tech tips in the future.